Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 27 Easy Street in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So previously we highlighted this house. Now it is completely finished with all the landscaping that you saw up front. Here we have the beautiful deck. We'll take a look inside. This house does come equipped with outside water and electric as well. Here is the kitchen living room area. It's really spacious. Right here you can see just the living room area. Right here we have a cable jack. And here you can see out those front windows. You'll notice the laminate flooring that goes throughout the house here. Here is the kitchen. All the appliances in here are Whirlpool appliances, and they have a warranty through the manufacturer. This is the refrigerator. We have a freezer on the left side and a refrigerator on the right side. To the right of that, we have these cabinets here, which are super spacious. So you can put snacks or ingredients or spices or whatever have you. They also come with this slow closing mechanism, so there is no slamming of the cabinet doors if you let them closed. Here is the dishwasher. And above that, you see the fire extinguisher that we provide you. Here you can see the backsplash, which is this really pretty kind of robin's egg baby blue color. This is the faucet. You see it has an extendable nozzle, and you have these two windows right above that. Here is the microwave. This is right above the stove oven combination. You've got 4 burners up at the top here, and the oven here. Also underneath this, you have a heating tray. Right here you can see there is adjustable shelving throughout the kitchen. Behind this door is the mudroom. So this is where you would put your side-by-side washer and dryer. And you also have plenty of cabinetry space here for linens or blankets or whatever you need. Here is your back door. And right to the right of that is your electrical panel. Now this is just like a regular house. It is 100 amps and everything is already labeled in there for you. Here we have the thermostat. And this is the first bathroom. Got these lights above the mirror. This bathroom has a bathtub, and there's a little skylight above it. Right above the toilet, you have a medicine cabinet. This is the first bedroom. You can see out the window here, and you get a view of the deck and the lawn. Right behind me here is the closet. Here are 2 screen doors that we give you if you wanted to change out the glass storm doors to screen ones. On the wall there you saw the data plate, which has all the information about the home, and right there is the whole house shutoff valve. This room also comes equipped with a cable jack, And this is the bathroom. You've got the same lighting here as in the other bathroom. And this bathroom has a shower, so it's a sliding glass door with 2 seats in there, and that is 1-piece fiberglass, as well as the other bathtub was also 1-piece fiberglass. Here is the furnace. This is responsible for the forced hot air and central air conditioning throughout the house. This is an AirQuest, which I really like because they have this very, very easy to change filter up top. You just pull that down, slide out the filter, and put in a new one. Before we go to the second bedroom, I'll show you the water heater, which is in the first bedroom. This is a 40-gallon tank, and it's just tucked behind that door right there. Here is the second bedroom. And here is the cable jack that is also in this room. Lastly, this is the closet here. It also comes equipped with a wire rack, as does the other one. And that's it. If you're interested in this house or any of the other houses we have to offer, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.